Hey there everyone, what's up? I'm Yash Desai from GarageDoorMarketingPros.co, and today we are diving into a crucial topic for garage door companies. When is the best time to start SEO? And how long does it take to see those leads and customers rolling in? So whether you are a seasoned pro or just getting started, stick around. And before diving into the video, just to know that if you're interested in growing your business, you can book a free consultation call with me, and we'll see if we can help your business grow. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and talk about the best time to kickstart your SEO journey. First tip is start as early as possible. Picture SEO as the solid foundation of your digital presence. The sooner you start building it, the stronger your online visibility will be down the road. So even if you're a newbie in the garage door business, don't wait. Get that SEO ball rolling from the get-go, because this will help you get some handsome ROI. Okay, now the second one is before launching a new website. Speaking of new beginnings, if you're about to launch a brand new website or give your existing one a makeover, make sure it's SEO optimized before the big reveal. We are talking about keywords, user-friendly navigation, sliding fast loading speeds, and some more. I have a detailed video on SEO for garage door businesses, so make sure to check that out if you want to learn more. And as I said, after a website redesign, and if you have recently given your website a fresh new look, don't forget to launch it with SEO. This means optimizing your content, updating meta tags, and ensuring your site's structure aligns with today's SEO best practices. And the next one is before peak seasons. See, for garage door companies, there are often peak seasons like winter, when garage door needs more maintenance. To capitalize on these periods, start your SEO efforts a few months ahead, when those customers will search for garage door maintenance, and let's say in winter, your business will be front and center. Now that we have covered when to start, let's talk about the timeline for those SEO results. How long does SEO take to see results? First, 3 to 6 months for initial results. In this first 3 to 6 months, you will start seeing those initial wins. Your rankings will improve, your website traffic will pick up, and these are promising signs that your SEO strategy is heading in the right direction. And 6 to 12 months for significant lead growth. For the big leaks, the real game changers comes between 6 to 12 months or even longer. The growth in leads and customers will start to become noticeable as your rankings climbs higher. It's a gradual process, but it's worth the wait. The third thing is it's ongoing. SEO isn't a one-time deal. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Keep at it consistently over months and years, updating your content, monitoring your rankings, and adapting to algorithm changes. You don't really have to do all of this if you don't want. You could just hire us to do this, but I'm just mentioning all of this stuff here. That's the secret sauce for continual growth. So there you have it. The best time to start SEO for your garage door company is right now. As we have discussed, results start showing in 3 to 6 months, but the big wins take time. If you have any questions about SEO or anything else, feel free to comment down below. I'm here to help you drive your garage door business to new heights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.